In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the TED Talk filter on Instagram. Okay, so this is a pretty cool filter and it makes you appear like you presenting a TED Talk. So all you need to do to get this filter is tap on the Discover icon at the bottom bar next to the home button on the right. Then you want to go ahead and search for this account right here, Slim Shader _ and I'll link this account up in the description of the video, so you can just go ahead and tap on that. And then once you're on their profile page, you want to tap on their filters, which is in the middle of the screen above their posts, that smiley face icon. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and it says TOD Talk, but this is kind of like a TED Talk ripoff. So tap on TOD Talk, and basically this is what the filter will look like, and I'll show you what it looks like myself now. But on the screen you can add it to your camera by tapping that little download button. That's going to save it to your Instagram camera, so you can use it pretty easily in the future, or you can go ahead and try it now, which I'll do. So this is what the filter looks like, and it's going to put your face there, and then it's going to zoom out to a presentation style, and all you need to do from here is press and hold down the record button, record your video, and then you can go ahead and post that on Instagram. So that is how you get the TED Talk filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.